This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap with Ivan Caesar.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the Premier Trade Market Wrap for Thursday, July 26, 2007. Stocks took a nosedive as continued worries about increasing cost of credit, as well as the ability of recently announced buyouts to close, spooked traders into heavy selling. The Dow Jones lost more than 2% today, or about 311.50 points, to close at 13,473. The S&P 500 was the biggest loser as it declined by 35 points, closing at 1482, and tech-heavy Nasdaq continues to outperform the market as it lost the least. It was down by less than 2% as it declined 48.8 points, closing at 2599. Sales of new homes fell in June by the largest amount in 5 months as the housing industry continues to struggle with its worst downturn in 16 years. The median home price also fell. The Commerce Department reported that sales of new single-family homes dropped by 6.6% last month to a seasonally adjusted annual rate of 834,000 units. The decline was more than triple what had been expected and was the largest percentage drop since sales fell by 12.7% in January. Sales are now 22.3% below the level of a year ago. Orders for big-ticket manufactured goods advanced in June by the largest amount in 3 months, reflecting a rebound in demand for airplanes. The Commerce Department reported that orders for durable goods increased 1.4% last month, the best showing since a 5.1% increase in March. Orders had declined by 2.3% in May. The number of U.S. workers filing new claims for jobless benefits fell in the latest week, in contrast with Wall Street expectations for a slight rise, suggesting labor markets remain robust. Jobless claims were down 2,000 to 301,000 on a seasonally adjusted basis in the week ending July 21st. Wall Street forecasts called for claims to increase by 9,000 to 310,000. In earnings news, Ford Motors surprised Wall Street with second quarter earnings of $750 million, its first profitable quarter in 2 years. The profit of 31 cents per share compared with net loss of $317 million or 17 cents per share in the same quarter of last year. Analysts expected the company to lose 35 cents per share, excluding special items. ExxonMobil, the world's largest publicly traded oil company, said its second quarter profit fell 1% from a year ago as lower natural gas prices hurt results. Still, the company net income was $10.26 billion, was the fourth largest quarterly profit ever recorded by a publicly traded U.S. company. The latest profit compares earnings of $10.36 billion in the second quarter. Apple reported its fiscal third quarter profit rose 73% from a year ago, spurred by strong sales of its flagship Macintosh computers and iPod digital media players, as well as shipments of 270,000 of its new iPhones during the first 36 hours. The company said it earned $818 million, 92 cents a share. Analysts forecast Apple to earn 72 cents a share. 3M said its second quarter profit rose 3.9% on strong performance across its businesses. It raised its guidance for the full year. The company earned $917 million during the quarter. Revenue rose to $614 billion. D.R. Horton reported a net loss of $823.8 million or $2.62 a share from a net income of $292 million in the year-ago quarter. The home builder said its fiscal third quarter results for the period ended June 30th include pre-tax charges of $835.8 million for inventory impairments and $16.2 million related to write-offs and land options it's abandoning. Scheduled economic reports for Friday include GDP for the second quarter, that's the advanced number, consumer sentiment for July. Scheduled earnings reports for Friday include Chevron, Fortune Brands, Colgate-Palmolive, Baker Hughes, Gemstar TV Guide. This has been the Premier Trade Market Wrap for Thursday, July 26, 2007.